Here we are in the middle of nowhere, probably getting super scammed. We've been trying to buy this car for like the last week almost, and he's giving us a free jack. Bueno. So yeah, if we'll get it, I don't know. Hello, hello, you want it? You want it? Go get it. But yeah, all busted up in that. Super hard to do anything in this country. Everything takes super long, but yeah, I don't know. Rally stage with our driver. Buenos dias! We got fucking scammed.
Yeah?
Yeah, so...
Motherfucker.
So don't trust the dodgy Colombians.
The Hitler ones.
Yeah, so... Yeah, we'll have to like tell that whole story of why we tried to buy a car from a Nazi.
We were desperate. We were desperate.
It was a cheap car, and we kind of stuck in a situation where we're in a car with him in a random town, and we thought we might get murdered. So we were like, fuck it, we'll buy it. The car was okay. And now we arranged to meet this dude and the actual owner of the car in this actually lovely town. But dude didn't turn up, and now he's like, I don't want to sell it to you no more. So we're $500,000 down, but we have the dude's paperwork for the car and all the IDs, so now he's kind of screwed. I guess we're all screwed. But spoke to some really nice people at the notaria, which told us that realistically we don't have to re-register the car, and if we don't re-register it, it's even better because any fines we get will go to the original owner. So
speeding all day.
Exactly. So now the plan is we'll try and lure the guy into this town, so
next
then
to a
he
police
can
station.
Yeah, next to a police station, so we can just buy the car without the transfer
because we have a contract.
But apparently the contracts here in Colombia don't mean shit. So you spend like 2 days signing shit, going through all sorts of hurdles to get nowhere. But yeah, we'll see. We're gonna get some food, see if this guy decides he actually wants to sell the car and make some more money. If not, buenos dias. And yeah, if he decides he wants to sell it, then cool. If he doesn't, we're gonna head to Cartagena and try and buy a car there, and hopefully it'll be a lot easier. So adios. Another twist to the story: the owner of the car actually turned up to finish the documents, and the guy that's selling it is now pretty much fucked him over as well. So god damn, man, just I'm kind of lost for words. I'm not sad. The people have been really nice. Had some ladies help us out. They said there really isn't much that they can do because it's he hasn't actually technically done anything wrong. But yeah, it's such a weird situation. Obviously he's trying to scam, but we're left with the paperwork of the car. So I don't know what on earth he was thinking, because now he's left with no paperwork. I don't know, basically the guy's an idiot. God damn. First time actually showing this on camera, because the Nazi guy didn't work out. So yeah, we've got a 1.6 litre Renault 21, and I think it's a 1992, and it just got shat on, so that means good luck, obviously. We're finished! Yay! We got a car!
Fuck yeah! Fucking going!
Alright, it might not be the best. How legal are we? I don't know, but at least we got a car. Oh shit. Fuck yeah. Look at that, we've got nice views of churches, some graffiti on the side. Then when you see the Jeep, oh, police.
What?
Bueno.
Hey.
Bueno. Hey, chiquita. It's alright, I know how to like drive shit cars, so I think we should be okay.
You live off shit boxes, you
Shit
know?
boxes for life.
Fuck yeah.
And
This
I
one's a
guess-
French one though.
Yeah, kind of scary. The
It's only
Frenchness.
got a solid 270,000
Yeah,
kilometers.
and it's probably only gone round at least once. So, first red light or the brakes, I mean, they're okay.
They work.
God damn. Now just to get out of Bogotá and and maybe tinker around with the car for a little bit, see how it goes. Probably need more tools, and we haven't got a jack.
We got a little kit, we got a little kit, look.
So we're in the middle of absolutely nowhere right now. Got our little car, which is a beauty. We made it this far, and we literally got here, ordered some food, and they just gave us some drink for free. No, nice. Super cool. Enjoying it so far. Enjoying it.
Fuck yeah, look at this shit, we got a car.
Got a little car with some empanadas, chorizo, and something to drink.
Dos. Gracias.
Hell yeah. Oh, mate. Yeah, we're living life. We're living life. This is good.
Mucho gracias.
Don't really know what the hell this is. It tastes quite nice. It tastes nice, but a bit juggly.
A little bit chewy. Just have to swallow a whole piece sometimes.
Just don't chew, just straight down.
Straight down.
Look at this poor thing. Oh, we gave you all the chorizo we had. Okay, I'm sorry. And got this one here as well. Get up to our little cabin.
Little cabin.
Little cabin.
Oh.
If we fucking get up here. God damn. We literally bought this car today and we're like off-roading it, racing it.
Fuck yeah.
What?
Nearly 200 kilometers already.
Yeah. Wait, oh man. We might get kidnapped. For sure.
You
Second
moved
gear.
the fucking heavy boost.
Yeah.
Off-roading, off-roading.
God.
Rally, rally, rally.
Holy shit.
Rally.
Oh my god, how high is this? Oh, let's go. Whoa. Alright, baby, you can do it. You can do it.
Bull. Yeah.
Beast. What a beast. Oh my goodness. Where the fuck are we going? I just smell fucking fire everywhere. I can see like smoke as well, but it's like the fields are on fire or some shit.
Maybe the car's on fire.
Hopefully not. Oh my days, what is this? Where the fuck are we going? Come on baby, come on, you can do it.
Yeah. Right, no.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh my god, this is not good. Cars
How are we gonna get down?
I don't know how we're gonna get up. Uh-oh. 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 Oh fuck. How the fuck are we gonna do this? I have no idea.
Come on.
Okay, we're gonna have to go back down.
Oh.
We need like a run up.
Okay. There's a big fucking hole there.
Maybe jump out and you can kind of guide me with the camera.
Okay.
Can you film from outside?
Okay. I'm gonna get my phone so I can torch it.
Yeah.
All right, we outside. This is the situation. All right, keep going. Stop.
No power steering, kind of fucking sucks.
Go. Stop. All right. Hey. Reverse. Yeah, what a beast.
All right, jump in. Let's go.
Fucking beast.
All right, let's find another road. Slow down. Okay. He'll do this. This is fine. This is fine.
This is nothing. It's nothing. 1.6. No.
You can do it. 650 meters left. Oh no, I've got fucking left as well. Okay. Not that you can see much, but we made it here after that crazy drive. But right now we're in the middle of nowhere. Got a little house to ourselves, a little cottage. Lazy boys over here already.
There's no Wi-Fi.
Chill. I mean, I still got 4G.
We made it. We're alive.
We made it. What a fucking
Whip.
crazy.
4x4.
Yeah, but yeah, this is our little home for the night. My bedroom. Look at that. Beautiful. What more could you want for £14.75 per night? We have a beautiful shitter, bathroom, little kitchen area, bedroom for Kai. God damn. But that was a fucking mission. Time to drink some beer. Cerveza? Cerveza.